Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're drawing the strongest sorcerer himself, Satoru Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. I'll be breaking down my process step by step, from the basic Loomis structure to the final shading. If you're a fan of JJK, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. We start with a simple circle to represent the cranium. To get Gojo's head tilt right, I'm drawing a curved vertical axis and a horizontal eye line. Next, I'm mapping out the jawline. Since Gojo has a very refined, sharp chin, make sure those lines are clean. Notice how I use a triangular guide for the blindfold area. This helps keep the proportions symmetrical before we add the details. Now, let's focus on that iconic smirk. When drawing the mouth, keep it slightly off-center to match the head tilt. Add a small line for the bottom lip to give it depth. Moving to the ears, they usually align between the eye line and the nose line. Don't worry about making them perfect. They'll be partially covered by his hair later. Gojo's hair is all about sharp, gravity-defying spikes. I start from the forehead and work my way up. Think of them as individual clumps rather than single strands. For the blindfold, notice the slight wrinkles around the edges. This adds a bit of realism and shows the tension of the fabric against his face. The final step is the hatching and shading. I'm using cross-hatching on the blindfold to give it a dark, fabric texture while leaving some areas lighter for highlights. Add some bold outlines to make the character pop against the white background. And there you have it, the honored one is complete. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and comment below which character I should draw next. Don't forget to share video. See you in the next one.